Zoho CRM tutorial. Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're going to be taking a detailed look into one of the best all-in-one free CRM tools, which is Zoho CRM. Zoho is really popular for a bunch of their tools, but I personally really love the CRM because it allows you to manage your business, build and sustain relationships in your business in a simple and easy way. They have so many different features, and you can scale Zoho CRM as your business grows. So let's get started. To get started, simply go onto zoho.com/CRM and then click on sign up to get started. Now you're going to need your email address to sign up. And once you've signed up, this is what your Zoho account is going to look like. This is the free version of Zoho, so we're not going to be accessing any of the premium tools. I'll show you guys how everything works in the free version. To get started, on the top, you have a home section. Then you can add your leads, contacts, accounts, deals, tasks, meetings, calls, projects, and you even have reporting as well as feeds, campaigns, documents, and visits. Now, to add a lead in Zoho CRM, simply click on Leads and then click on Create Lead. In your leads, you have all basic information fields, including names, companies, email, mobile information, annual revenue, industry, the source of your lead, as well as address information. So let's say that I have a potential lead called Kelly or called Olivia, and then we're going to add their title, we're going to add their phone number, we're going to add their company, Olive Co., and then we're going to add their last name, and then we can proceed with the rest of their information. If there is any bit of information that you do not have, you can simply leave it blank and then just click on save. Once you create a lead on Zoho CRM, it allows you to manage your particular timeline with that relationship. So if you click on any lead, you can see an overview, which includes all information. Then, if you click on timeline, you will be able to see all of your timeline history, including any updates, any new tasks related to them, any businesses related to them, accounts, deals, anything that is related to a lead. You will also see on the top right, you have the ability to convert a lead into a contact. So you can see over here, you can create a new account and create a new contact whenever a lead is converted into an actual contact. You can also click on send email to send out emails directly from Zoho. Moving on to our next section, which is our contact section. It functions just like the lead section, but it's for actual people that you are in business with. You guys can see we have a couple of different sample contacts that have been added. You will see within this you have a lot of details and even notes that you can write. These notes are not visible to other people, but are only visible to the team that is added on Zoho. You will also see all of your timeline history as you would see it for leads as well. And if you were to create a new lead, you can just go back, click on Create New Contact, and enter information in the same way that you added a lead. Now moving on to our next section, which is our account section. Now this is slightly different. This is where you add your businesses. So you're going to click on Create Account to start creating accounts, and you're going to add the account name. Let's say this is going to be Olive Co., and we can add the account site, Jameson Square. Then we can add the parent account as well. So if one account is related to another, you can actually add a parent account, but for this, let's say it's not. And let's say this is an active account that we have. You can add the rating as acquired, active, market failed, project canceled, or shut down. Then you can add the account number, account type. Let's say that this is a distributor and the ownership is private. Below that, we can add the industry that they are in, as well as annual revenues and other information bits. Then click on Save to save this information. Just like that, we now have our account saved up. Now, all of these bits of information that you're adding can be customized as well. If you go into your setup on your top right and you manage your settings, you can actually go ahead and go into your basic customization of modules and fields. Once you go into modules and fields over here, you can proceed with adding more information. This is the module name, and you can add more modules as you require. You can also go into templates and customize any pre-built templates that you are going to be using. So if we have things such as deal templates, we have inventory templates, we can add a particular type of template. And this can allow you to have a lot of time left over whenever you're adding a new contact or a new deal, because you have a basic draft of how you enter information. Moving on, we can go into deals to start adding our deals and build our pipeline for our sales. So if we go into create deal, you can even import deals and notes, but if you want to manually add it, you can add it manually. First off, you're going to enter your deal name. So let's say it's going to be t-shirt kiosk, and then you're going to enter your account name. So this is related to Olive Co. We're going to add the closing date, which is going to be by the end of this month. We're going to add the expected revenue from this deal. Then we're going to add the type. So this is existing business. And the next step is going to be operations. And I can add the contact name of the person that is related to this deal as well. So let's say it's going to be Olivia. And I'm just going to create a new contact for Olivia, or I'm just going to select one of our older ones, like so. Then we can also add our campaign source, and then we can add our other information. Once done, just click on save on the top right, and we have our deal saved up. Once your deal has been saved, you will see different stages of your pipeline. So these stages can also be customized within the Zoho CRM, even in their free version. And you will see the status of each lead, so of each particular deal. So let's say we are in need analysis, so we're going to have it in that. Then we have value proposition, identify decision makers, proposal slash price quote, negotiation slash review, and then you have closed won and then closed lost. And then you can also mark it as closed and lost to competition. And this allows you to manage your deals in a really effective way. And you also have a timeline of your deals that is going to help you in managing and ensuring your deals are happening at the right time. Next up, you also have your task section. So in your task section, this can be a great way for you to have a CRM that is integratable with a simple project management tool. You have a task section, and then you also have a project section. So you have a unified project management tool, which you can click on Get Started over here to set up a project manager within Zoho CRM. But if you don't need an entire project management tool and you just need a simple to-do list, then you can proceed with your task section and just create new tasks. These tasks are based on status, priorities, as well as other task information. You can click on Edit Page Layout to add more bits of information. So if you want to specify with tags, you can add those as well. These are the current fields, and you can click on New Section to add any new section to your task. For example, I want to add a task strategy like this. And then this is going to be a multi-line answer. And I am going to add that, which is currently not available on the free version, so we're going to have to skip that. But just like that, we can add as many tasks as we want on Zoho. After that, calls and meetings are pretty self-intuitive, so we're going to skip right ahead into our final feature for today, which is the reporting feature. This is what I really love about Zoho, is that if you go into reports, they are really detailed. And I do recommend upgrading if you are looking for the more detailed reports, but still it has a pretty functional and decent reporting section. And all of these features are available on the free version of Zoho CRM. You guys can see all of your essentials like leads, documents, and mobile apps are available on the free version. So get started today by signing up for Zoho. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and if you have any questions or queries, make sure to leave those in the comment box down below. I would love to know what you guys have to say.